So over here, you can see that I have a mural, and if you want to save this mural as a template, you can do that as well. So to do that, while the mural is open, you need to click on the drop down menu right here, and here you can go around and click on publish as template. So once you do that, here you can see the template name right here, and you can describe out the name. So I'm just going to go around and type in TutorTube example right here. And once I do that, you can see I can publish this mural as a template. And here you can see that you created and published out a template right here. So it says, do you want to go to the template you just published? So you can go around and click on take me to the template right here. And here you can see that the template is opened up. You can go around and click on edit template to edit this out as well right here. So I'm just going to go around right here and go back. And this is my home page, as you can see. So if I were to go around into templates right here, you can go around and then search around. Let's say, for example, I'm going to type in TutorTube. What happens is that you will be able to see the template that you made, as you can see right here. So I'm just going to go around onto template, and here you can see TutorTube template. So this is what you can click on to actually create out as well. And the template loads up, and you can create the mural from using template as well. Click on create mural, and the template will be loaded up. So that is how you can save custom templates inside of Mural. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.